Learn how to bake vanilla cookies with Chef Joshua CCCC. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So we are going to start by measuring the dry ingredients. We are going to measure wheat flour. Wheat flour, we need 220 grams of wheat flour. We need 220 grams of wheat flour. After, you're going to apply it in the bowl. Then we are going to also measure powdered sugar or icing sugar, 100 grams. But you can also blend the normal sugar and you get the perfect mix. Then after, we are going to measure Prestige margarine, 100 grams of Prestige margarine, but you can also use unsalted butter. We are going to apply half teaspoon cinnamon, then half teaspoon mixed spices. Then you're going to first mix these dry ingredients. You're going to first mix these dry ingredients. Then after, you're going to put the Prestige margarine, 100 grams, or unsalted butter. Remember, when we measured it, we did not apply it because it is not a dry ingredient. Then after, you're going to rub. After rubbing, you apply 1 egg. Before you apply the egg, make sure that you rub until you get this a sand texture. Then after, add the egg. Then you start kneading. The way we see it is the way you can do it from my kitchen to your kitchen and you get the taste. So we are going to apply vanilla essence because you are doing vanilla cookies. So you can also try this at your home. You can do these cookies for business. You can start a business from home and deliver to your clients. Then after, you're going to knead. After, we are going to knead until we get a perfect dough. Then we are going to grease our tray. You grease it with unsalted butter or Prestige margarine. Then you are going to roll. But when you are rolling, make sure that you don't roll into a thin size because we did not apply or we don't apply baking powder in cookies. Then after rolling, we are going to start cutting into different shapes. So it depends on the different shapes you need, or it depends on the different design you need. Then we are going to apply on our tray. You can use the same style when you are doing homemade or cookies without oven. If you want that recipe, please WhatsApp me on that number so that I share you the recipe of cookies without oven when you are using even cups. So we are going to time our oven. You're going to time like 10 minutes on 180 degrees. So we are going to bake until golden brown. So for the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you get daily recipe updates. Remember, on YouTube, we get recipes from Monday to Sunday. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with each and everyone so that we can get different skills, baking and cooking skills. So it is good to go. Remember, don't pack them when they are hot. You first set them aside, leave them to cool. Then after, you pack them if you want to deliver to anyone or to any client. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe. We have been doing vanilla cookies. But you can also do strawberry cookies, chocolate cookies, any flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. So it depends on the interest of the client or the interest of you yourself.